What is that?
Kill every ant in your yard and garden for good. Most people don't know this method exists, but once you find out what it is, you'll never fight ants the same way again. Let's go. There's nothing more satisfying than actually seeing ants die.
You can see them right back here.
Yeah.
You see all their little holes that they've been making? Whew.
One got you?
Yeah, that does not feel good. Whew. You can hear it hissing.
Click that button right there.
Oh my gosh.
Hey, pull that trigger.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
Get him, girl!
Smells like some s'mores, like a campfire.
That's right. Come on, we're straight up killers.
After y'all like this video, make sure you hype this up because it really helps us a lot. Thank you. I could literally do this all day long.
Good job, good job.
This is crazy. We just killed fire ants with fire. There's so many ant beds that we could just do this all day.
Yeah, we marked out a bunch of ant beds over here on this property that we have. See the orange flags here, there. We got them all over.
This thing is hot. I just touched it just like over there and you can feel the heat.
Holy smokes. Holy smokes, that is hot. You know what Papa used to say?
What?
Was it hot? Nah, it just didn't take me long to look at it. Yeah, that thing is super hot. Let's dig down and see what we did to the colony.
Do they really go down that deep?
Oh yeah. These ants can go up to 10 foot deep. Oh, there's still ants here. Look at that.
Yeah, they survived that.
Fire will kill ants, but it's more of a surface type of kill. Not even touch the colony. Look at it. It's hot, and that's hot.
Really?
Yeah, that's hot.
Yeah, it is.
Wow, look at that.
What?
Look at that.
What is that?
That's ant larvae.
Don't get bit, they're on you.
Oh man, they're biting me. You get it? Look at that.
So what are those?
It's ant larvae.
What does that mean?
Little baby ants.
Oh really? Oh my gosh.
Yeah, look at them all. Even using this flamethrower is totally cool. I'm telling you, I love the idea of it, but it's only a surface level kill. It's not gonna kill the entire colony.
I definitely had fun using the flamethrower, Dad.
I know you did, girl. If you want an ant-free lawn, we got something for you.
That one's big. That one's even bigger.
Yeah, this is a big mamma jamma. You can see them all crawling around right in here. Bad thing about ants is that they can ruin your picnic, your party. They can get on your kids and your dogs, and they're constantly just popping up all over the place. And so we're always looking for solutions to get rid of fire ants, right? Let me show you one popular product that a lot of people use, and it's this right here. It's Orthene Fire Ant Killer. We love this product. We use this product a lot in our company, but you know what? Let me open this thing up. It's not a granular and it's not a spray. It's a powder. And one thing I recommend when you open this thing up is having a respirator on.
You look like a bug with that thing on.
You look like a bug. This must have been the one you had on.
Is it tight?
It's pinching my nose off. All right, here we go. Let me open this thing up. You can see a little bit of the dust coming out. That's why you got to be careful. Wear a mask on this, especially when you're putting it out. You don't want it to blow back into you. It stinks so bad. So, I mean, it's horrible. But this product really works. Let me show you how to use it real quick.
Put it on top of it?
Just put it right on top of it.
See, you see how it's blowing?
Yeah, see how it's blowing? You don't want to breathe any of this stuff. It says no watering in. It actually treats up to 162 mounds. This product right here is about $17 to $20 on Amazon. I'm telling you, it is really good. But let me tell you something. It treats the mounds. And so what happens is you're going to have to go and treat every single mound. It claims that it kills the queen, but in my experience, Mackenzie, what's going to happen is that this mound may die, but another one's going to pop up.
Right next to it.
Yeah, right next to it. You're having to chase these mounds all over the place. It's not going to cure your problem, and you're going to end up having to buy a lot of this product right here in order. All you're doing is chasing mounds.
Well, would this be a good product to use in your garden or something like that?
No, you cannot use this product in your garden at all.
Why not?
Because it's against the law. The label says you can't put this in gardens.
Then what can you use in your garden?
Great question, Mackenzie. I'll get to that in just a moment. This is not going to be the answer that you're looking for.
So you're saying this is a good product if you have like 1 or 2 mounds, that small mounds.
If you have 1 or 2 mounds, then yeah, this is a good product to use, but just be careful, because what's going to happen is another one may pop up, and then you're going to have to be chasing these mounds all over the place.
So this isn't the best product, but it's pretty good.
It's a good product. It's a really good product. I just wouldn't recommend it.
If you have huge mounds and a lot of them, which we have a lot of mounds, right?
We have a lot of mounds. I'm not going to use this product right here on this type of property because we have too many mounds. And this product's not going to last that long in the soil. It's probably going to only last like 15 or 20 days. Let me show you something else that a lot of people like to go to. This is another popular ant product that a lot of people use. You can get it for about 25, 30 bucks. It's a 25-pound bag. And this has the active ingredient Bifen. This will kill ants too. This is very good at killing ants, Mackenzie. But what I like about it too, because it says it kills ant, included imported fire ants, chinch bugs, fleas, mole crickets, tick, and other pests in landscapes. This product has another level to it than the Orthene does. Let me show you what I'm talking about.
So can you use this one in your garden?
No, you can't use this in your garden either. It has Bifen in it, and the label says do not put it in your garden when you have crops. I have another product that I'm going to show you what you can use in your gardens, and it's absolutely fantastic.
That stuff looks like sand.
Yeah, it looks like
just like that.
It looks like beach sand. And I usually just take a little cup like this, okay, and I just put it in a little spreader. I like to put it in a little spreader like this. But this right here, Mackenzie, you can also treat mounds with it like this.
I just sprinkle it on top. So do the ants have to eat that, or do they just have to like touch it?
No, they come in contact with it and it kills them.
So they just have to touch it.
Yep. And sprinkling around the outside. Watch this. All right, this is also going to be a good product to go around the outside of your home to keep out roaches, crickets, earwigs, things of that nature. Awesome.
Hey, y'all guys like and subscribe.
Product, okay? We use a lot of this in our company every single day. Matter of fact, when we do our lawn spraying, we use a product very similar to this. It has Bifen in it. Now, the good thing is about this, instead of just treating the mound, you can actually use this hand spreader. You can get a good coverage around your whole lawn. That way, if this mound tries to pop up somewhere else, guess what? This Bifen is in the ground and it's going to stop them.
I don't even know if they'll be able to see that.
Yeah, you can't hardly see that. It's just pure sand coming out.
You can hear it though.
Very, very fine. Here, let's kill that fire ant bed.
Okay. Oh my gosh. Do you see them?
Yep.
They all just started coming out right as you sprayed that stuff. That's crazy. They are out now. That's a crazy mound.
Look at that right there, Mackenzie.
Oh, that's part of their colony.
These things are already twitching. They're dying right now. Take a look at it. See them? They're already twitching. Just go over your lawn and put a nice even coverage around their lawn. This is going to be awesome. But here's the thing about this one also. One, it's going to kill ants. This is a repellent type insecticide, all right? But the problem is it only lasts about 30 days or less. Depends on where you live. If you live in Florida where we're at, then it's really hot all the time and it rains all the time. So you're going to have more frequent applications with this product, and you're just going to be chasing mounds, chasing ants all summer long. There's better products out there than just using this. Now, This is probably like 20 or 30 bucks on Amazon. And if you like it and you want other applications with it, like the earwigs and the crickets and things around the outside of your home, hey, then get this right here. But if you're tired of dealing with fire ants and you're just sick and tired of having to chase mounds, then man, there's something else that's way better than that. And I'm getting ready to show it to you right now. Let's go. This is the one that we really love, and it's Extinguish Plus.
What's up with the plus?
The plus? Great question. The plus stands for you have an insecticide and also plus an IGR.
What's IGR?
Insect growth regulator. This product right here will not only kill ants, it will also keep them from reproducing. You won't have any rebounds from any mound. And so once they eat this.
So Dad, that's a bait?
This is a bait right here. The other two products were actually contact kills. They got to come in contact with it to kill the colony. So that's why the colony never dies. This is a bait, and they'll take it back to the queen, feed the queen, and that's how the whole mound actually dies. This jug right here is about 40 bucks on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description below. But the awesome thing is it treats up to 3 acres.
3 acres.
3 acres. This treats 3 acres. They have a 25-pound bag that will treat 16.6 acres. And you know what that means?
What does that mean?
That means that 25-pound bag will cost you about $15 per acre. It goes a long way.
So can you use this one in the garden?
No, you can't use this one in the garden either. I got one more product, but the awesome thing is about this product, because it is a bait, they'll actually travel outside of your garden, get it, take it back to the colony, boom, you're dead. But if you want a product that you can actually use around your garden and your vegetables, I got something for you. That's going to be the next one. It actually looks like grits.
Yeah, it does.
You know how many people say that you can kill ants with grit?
We'll have to test that out one day.
We did. I got a video. It's called the 5 Craziest DIY Fire Ant Killers.
Go find out.
Check it out right here. It's almost got 1 million views on it. Check out the comments. Totally crazy, dude. But anyway, it's a good one to check out. But look at this. Looks like grits.
What's the craziest way that y'all kill ants at home? Put it in the comments below.
Look. You can treat individual mounds with this, but I like putting it over the whole lawn.
So this one, they eat it?
They eat it.
I just saw one bring a piece down in that hole.
Yeah, we just put it on. It hadn't even been on the ground.
Yeah, they're bringing it back. You can see that.
You see it? You're bringing it in right here.
That's awesome.
Look at him.
Yeah, that's
He's
cool.
got it in his mouth. Wow. They're getting it in them holes, ain't they?
Yeah, they are.
Look at him. Look at him.
Oh my gosh.
Dragging it in there. Get it, boy. Take it in. Take it to mama. Take it to mama. Take it to mama.
They keep on bringing it.
He's just taking it into that hole. Look at that. They love it.
They love it.
They love it, love it, love it. These right here are called pyramid ants. They can be extremely hard to control. Not with Extinguish Plus. It'll knock them out. These aren't even fire ants. They're gonna eat this and they're gonna die.
How long does this stuff last?
This stuff's gonna last about 6 months. You're only gonna need 2 applications per year and you're gonna be ant free in your lawn. I love this stuff. You're not gonna have any rebounds, not gonna have any issues. It's gonna kill the queen. We're gonna use our same little hand spreader. If you want, you can get one that you push. This is right here just so convenient right here. Now fill this up. Like I said, this says 3 acres, and then you just spread it out. Watch. It doesn't look like there's a lot that's coming out, but it doesn't take a lot. You see all these ants? See, he already picked it up. I just put it down. Look at him right here.
Yeah, he's already picking that up. Dad, this is some good stuff.
You dang right it is. Let me put this out and then let me show you the product you can use around your gardens. Let's go.
Hey Dad, how many times do you have to put this out a year?
2 applications per year, no more ants. See these bigger ants?
Yeah, those are big ants.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh.
I just put it out 2 seconds ago. Look at it. taking it into the queen.
Hey Dad, is this safe for pets?
Yeah, this is safe for pets. You can put it out. The only thing that I recommend is that put the dogs or cats up, put it out, and then when you get done, let them back out. It's going to be totally fine. Oh, also too, you could put this in pastures for cows and horses and things of that nature, and it's totally going to be cool. This stuff right here spreads pretty good. Look at it.
Yeah, it looks pretty easy.
Yeah. Super easy. Depending upon the size of your lawn, you can probably keep it ant-free for up to 2 years. This goes a long way. Okay, for the question of the day that Cornbread has been asking, what can we use around gardens? Okay, we can't use the Orthene, we can't use the Bifen, we can't use the Extinguish Plus, but what can we use that's going to be absolutely 100% effective? And it's this right here. Come and get it right here. Check that out. I love it.
Fertilome?
Fertilome.
Fertilome.
Fertilome Fire Ant Killer. This stuff right here is labeled to use around your vegetable gardens. Look, you see the ants in the picture. You got your fruits and vegetables, got your flowers right here. The active ingredient in this is a natural occurring bacteria called spinosad. It's not harmful to mammals, only insects, and especially ants right here. And let me show you what it looks like. Now, what I would recommend is using the Extinguish Plus in your yard. If you have a garden, use this stuff right here. It goes a long way. I'll put a link in the description below. You can get it on Amazon. I've used this at our church. Here's what it looks like.
It looks exactly like the stuff we just put out.
Yeah, it looks just like Extinguish Plus. Looks like grits, don't it?
Yeah.
Don't eat it. But this right here is amazing. I put it out in our church playground because we had a bunch of fire ants, and I was really testing it out because I wanted to see how it operated. And I came back 2 days later, and guess what?
They're gone.
No more ants. So let's put it on this fire ant bed right here. You just sprinkle it around the outside. They don't recommend for you to disturb the mound. I just did. But anyway, you get the picture.
Hey Dad.
Yeah.
Does it work the same way too as the Extinguish Plus?
Yes, it does. It says that it kills the queen, kills the entire colony. Unlike the Orthene and the Bifen Granules, this thing right here will be taken back to the queen and gone, baby, gone. Having an ant-free lawn, especially in your garden, this is where it's at. Extinguish Plus, and come and get it, baby. Come and get it. Boom.
So if you have a garden, use this. It's awesome.
Come and get it. Come and get it. Come and get it. Ants love it. Hey guys, where y'all watching from? Put it down in the chat below. We want to hear from you. Hey guys, thank you for liking this video, and thank you for subscribing.
And hyping it up.
And as always, God bless.
Bye y'all.